Look at what my sister is inventing today!
Come on. What are you inventing, Nano?
I'm finished, you'll see now.
Every other day she comes up with these inventions. I swear I don't know where she gets them from. It's the first time I've seen you invent something.
You can't talk about my inventions like that. It's not allowed.
No, it's because your inventions are always failures.
Who told you they're failures? You're the failure, the total one.
Are you upset now?
This is the last one.
Yeah, what's the point? What is it exactly?
You'll see what it is in a second.
A table.
I'll raise you a table. When I first saw Nano assembling it, I was terrified.
Why?
Lift it up and I'll tell you why. Turn it, turn it, turn it.